Hello, what are you guys doing here? Oh yeah, you probably heard that I am in my bathroom here at home right now, and I did promise you that I will be doing some helping videos to help you out through this special time where we are right now according to the coronavirus. And since we're all at home and we're not allowed to go to the barbers or the hairdressers, I promised you guys that I would show you how you can help yourselves at home with some tools here and there. And that's what we'll do right now, since I wanted to do it anyway. I wanted to trim my beard a little bit, my mustache. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll show you what tools you'll be needing, what material might be handy, and how to use these, okay? Bye for now.